Hey guys, it's your man, the Forex Beast, aka John Sutherland here, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on the 20 pip and dip strategy that we use the indicator for. So let's go ahead and dive right into it right now. Boom. Okay. We got the 20 pip and dip indicator here. Now, on the trading view window, we have to look, and this is going to be done super easy. We got to make sure we're on the 1 hour. Okay. If you don't know where the indicator is, go over here to the FX indicator. Now, there's a couple of other things, right here, public library and stuff like that. But you got an invite. You make sure you click that and then it'll bring it up. Now, my favorite thing to do, right? And I already did it here, but we're going to go and grab a line, a vertical line, and we're going to pick out where it says buy, right? So this blue line is the last 50 trades moving average. When it's below it, we want to sell when the closed candlesticks. When it's above it, we want to buy. That's what we're looking for. We're in a buying mode. We're staying in buying modes. And right here, we can look at some sells, right? So let's look at a sell. I see a sell mark, right? As you look at it, you click on it, boom, right there. Okay. Now, when you're going to look for your entry points, go to the 5 minute, right? Look, that's where we were at, right? Or buy or sell, right? Or shorten. Now, we want to look for a candlestick that closes underneath the the uh the moving average. Now, look, it's pretty stable here. Um, it's not too good to look at this, but we're going to use it as an example. So there was a sell indicator right here. Let's just say we got into a sell right here, right? And we want to target 20 pips, right? Move this over to our target of 20 pips. Where is it at? 1 second. I gotta look at it. Mm-hmm. Right about here. And then 2 to 1, I like to do right there. Okay. So now we can see here where we would have went in for that. And it wouldn't have closed out because again, this is pretty consistent, right? But let's go ahead and look at something else real quick. Look at another area where there might have been high volatility. So I see I got one marked as a buy, right? Right here is the buy, right? And we're going to go to our 5 minute marker. And we're going to got to move over back to it because it brought me over too far to the current area. So there's our arrow, our line, right? And we want to look, I already set it up basically, but we want to find an entry point, which would be usually like average. You would go probably like right around here or so, and boom. This one, you would just use the, whatchamacallit, I'll show you. Go over to this area here and you hit long position. And we can find the date range too. So our entry would have been right here. Let's see here. And our time we would have spent in that trade would have been 55 minutes. 55 minutes, right? And let's take an example for that sell over here way at the beginning, okay? So you see, we didn't hit that profit yet on this one per se, right? So we go in. We had entry about here. This is a little off. Don't worry. Look, you would still be in that trade. You would still be in that trade. See, you would be still in it. That would go on. That's like 2 days right there. So it didn't hit, but you could go and pull out wherever. You know, it would have been come close enough here, but that's not a strong sign. So hopefully this helps you out. We could even go into crypto here because it says, oh, what? Oh, it's because it forced it. We could go into crypto and look at it here since this is still technically live right now. But we could take, for example, in this hour, I would see a strong buy single here, signal right here, right? And then we're going to go into the 5-minute and look. Okay. So over here, it already did enter in, so it's probably going to be rebalancing and testing. So this is where the candle came in and it went over. Look, see? And it still stayed over. So as long as it's over, but let's go and look at something more like in depth and current to look at this. So I didn't want that. Remove. Okay. So we're looking, we see that it has a sell here, right? And it's below the moving average in the 1 hour. So we go over to the 5-minute, right? We already see, right? We got a couple trades that are actually closing in on the bottom end of it. So you could possibly still enter in on this, right? Let's say I'm going to enter in because I think it will probably like come up here, rebalance up, right? So this is like looking at a potential, right? Move up. There it is. Like roughly right around there. We can edit it. This will probably bounce around quite a bit. So that's about where it would be, right? Say we enter in on this, everything, the 5-minute. This is like scalping in a sense. For this one, you could take, for example, an hour. I'll let that pan out, and you'll see that this will come close, everything. So go into the hour, we could see where we could have bought. Oh, god dang it. Remove drawing. Oh, okay. Whatever. The buy signal would have been for a strong example would be right here. I'd say. So let me click on my line and go in here. Go to 5 minutes. Find the line. Find the line. Oh, there's the line, right? It didn't go finish up fully here. Start rebounding. So that wasn't the greatest example, but you can see how it can benefit you in the long run. So hopefully that helped you understand how to utilize the 20 pip and dip strategy and what you need to do and focus on, because this could be a real awesome thing for you and substantially benefit your income and your investing skills. All right, that's all.